Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see how we can integrate SendGrid with our Azure ecosystem. As you already know, SendGrid is used for sending emails. But apart from emails, you can also implement as a tracking mechanism. So that means, let's say you are from a marketing team, you send out an email and you want to see how many persons has been opened that email, what is the bounce rate, and how many people has not opened, and lot of other stuff. So you can later on you can use this data to further send your emails to proper channels. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started how we can integrate with Azure with SendGrid. Okay. Now SendGrid application is used available in Azure as a SaaS solution. So SaaS is a software as a service solution. So it is available as a SaaS solution with Azure. So let's get started and let's see how we can start the create a SendGrid application. So yeah, it is available in the marketplace as you can see, and here we will create a new SendGrid account. So for example, we will select a resource group. We have for this demo I have already created a resource group. Okay, let's put it a term SendGrid testing. Okay, or let's say SendGrid demo account. Okay. So now there are multiple plans are available. There are free tiers are also available, and there are paid tiers available. But for this testing, we can go with the free tiers. Okay, let's keep the tag as it is, and we'll agree to the terms and condition, and we'll click subscribe. Now for this demo, for the sake of this demo, I have already done the subscription and everything. It is available. I have already created the SendGrid demo account. Okay, so we'll open this SendGrid SaaS account. Now as it is a SaaS account, it is managed by third party. In this case it's Twilio. So we'll when you initially first time we will create this Twilio SendGrid account, uh, this account won't be configured. So you have to configure. So for configuration you have to provide your email ID verification and everything. So that is very pretty basic steps. I'm not going through that steps. Okay. So once you open this SendGrid testing account, it will take you to your SendGrid website. Okay. Um, yeah. So by default, this is my dashboard page. Now let's coming to our agenda. We are going to use this to send the email. So for email, we have to use our see our integration guides. If we go through our integration guide, there are two options are available. There is a web API and SMTP relay. Okay. Now web API is the most recommended solution. If you select choose, okay, then you can see lot of different languages you can use. You can use either Python, Node.js, PHP, Java, or any preferable language, whatever you might want to use. So for our demo, we'll go with the Python. We'll select on choose. Okay. Now first thing is that this is the prerequisite. Okay, we'll create our own. So we are going to create our own key. Let's say SendGrid demo key, and we will create the key. So the key is available, and this key you can set it up as an environment variable, and you can use the key in the following package. But if you are using Azure, I prefer you use key vault to store your key or store your secrets. Okay. Now coming to the Python code. Okay. So this is the Python code, this is the to email, and from email this is the SendGrid API. Okay, these are all the things. Okay, now this is for the demo. I have hard coded the API details. It is ideal you should not hard code your API keys in the code. Okay, so in this we have message to, message from, message subject, and message content. Okay, and we are also sending a file name. Now what is the file name? File name is nothing but a text file. Okay, we are attaching the file. One thing you have to remember, that while sending the file you have to read the file as a base64 encoding. Okay, so once you read the file you are attaching as a attachment. Okay, and after that once you are done you are sending this to using SendGrid API clients, and that's it. Voila, and if you run it, it will be sent. Okay, go back and see what is the mail status, whether we have received the mail or not. This is the test email, this is the test subject line, and this is the body, and this is the attachment. Also, as you can see, we can easily send email